Well, at 16, she was diagnosed with lupus and stage 4 kidney disease, but through her own protocol of eating right, she made a startling recovery and has been symptom-free ever since. This morning, we're seeing how she makes a smoothie that has impacted her beyond belief. So without further ado, let's head to the kitchen with Dr. Brooke Goldner. Well, Dr. Goldner, a pleasure to talk with you again, and very eager to learn how you make this special anti-inflammatory smoothie. Before we get mixing, though, maybe just kind of talk to me overall just about the impact that this drink has had on your life.
Yeah, so when you talk about anti-inflammatory, that name is thrown around a lot, but people don't usually know what it means. When I talk about something being anti-inflammatory, what I mean is that it actually activates the anti-inflammatory immune system, which calms things down and helps you go back to your baseline, and it accelerates cellular repair. So my specialty is understanding how nutrition affects how well your cells can repair themselves and how well your immune system works so that you can have the best health possible or reverse disease. So in my life, you know, this has changed my life forever because I'm someone that used to be very sick. I had lupus for 12 years from age of 16, where I had kidney failure, blood clots, became a medical doctor, before that a researcher, never found any answers. And by adding these ingredients to my life, I've actually been lupus free for 16 years now, and been able to share that gift with thousands of people around the world, even having miracles in my life. Like I was told I could never have children. I have 2 healthy boys, and I have no disease or symptoms. So that's how I became a disease reversal specialist. And it's why I teach this to the public, because, you know, even if you don't have something like autoimmune disease, you could just have optimal health. And that's something that we all should have.
Absolutely. We know all people certainly strive for that. I'm so grateful to hear that you are now well and healthy again. All right, so let's get mixing now. I know you got the whole setup there in your kitchen. What all do we need to make a special smoothie?
All right, the key to healthy cells. All right, number one, right, this is why I do this in smoothies, by the way, is most people don't want to eat a lot of these ingredients, right? So the number one most nutrient-dense food that you can have is dark leafy greens. This is baby spinach right here, kale, broccoli, cauliflower. There's lots of really good high nutrient cruciferous vegetables, but most people don't like to chew on them too much. But nice dark leafy greens, you stick them in a smoothie with some fruit, you don't even taste it, right? So the dark leafy greens, these are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, all the things your cells need to repair themselves to be as healthy as possible. The other key ingredient most people are missing is omega-3 fatty acids. So these are flax seeds right here. I don't know if you guys can see my beautiful flax seeds. You can also use chia seeds. And what I do is I put them right into the blender with the greens right there. This is a high-powered Vitamix blender. You need a good blender to blend them up. If not, use a coffee grinder to blend them up and then add them to the blender. The other thing people are missing in order to have optimal health and cell repair is water. Water. I know we just had July 4th. You might be full of beer. Yeah, we got to replace that with the water intake. So I put the water to the same level of the greens. And here's the secret that makes everybody love them is a spoonful of sugar to make the medicine go down. So in this one, I got frozen cherries and I've got frozen mangoes and then some ripe bananas. And when you put that in and you stick the lid on top and you blend this down, it actually makes a beautiful high nutrient green smoothie that'll optimize your immune system and your health, but it tastes like cherries and mangoes. And when you blend it up, you can see it's this beautiful color we got here. I can show you. I've actually, not only have I been drinking these for many, many years, I used to give this to my kids in their bottles.
Wow. And so, yeah, I was going to ask. So, I mean, it's because we mentioned that it's got that sweet taste from the fruit. So kids love it, right? It's a family-friendly smoothie.
Absolutely. I've helped kids as young as 2 years old reverse autoimmune diseases. This is the key, because getting little kids to eat lots of vegetables is not always easy if you raise them on hot dogs and mac and cheese. But again, if stuff tastes like fruit, they don't mind having it. So we have this every day as a family. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Let her see you guys. So these are my miracles right here. This is Solomon, who's 12 years old. This is my Alex, who's 8.
Hey, guys.
And hey guys.
All right, so you're our taste testers. Let's see. Give us your honest feedback. How are we feeling?
All right, she wants to know honest feedback.
Oh, we got a thumbs up.
He can't even let go of the straw. Alex, he's asking me what you think.
I think it's good. It's
delicious. Yes, it is. Awesome. Dr. Goldner, thank you so much. A wonderful drink that you've got, and so happy to again hear that it's turned your life around, and we hope it certainly does the same for our viewers. Tell us too where our viewers might be able to go. And I know we recapped the recipe here, but if they want to go back and see it, where they can find it, and of course where they can just connect with you.
Absolutely. So if you go to goodbyelupus.com, I have a tutorial that people can see under the free gifts section of my website. So you go to goodbyelupus.com, click on free gifts, and it shows you exactly how to make make this in detail and free recipes and all that good stuff. And of course, I'm on Instagram and Facebook at Goodbye Lupus, where I teach people every day how to live healthier lives, both emotionally and physically, so you can have the best life possible and give those gifts you're meant to give. And of course, enjoy your family.
Yeah, wonderful. All great tips that we all need. Dr. Goldner, thank you again so much. And we wish you all the best. Thanks.
Thank you. Bye.